Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And I do have teeth. I seldom smile, so just to let you guys know that I do have teeth. Today's unit is going to be out of a 1966 Mustang. It's sent in by Danny in Cartersville, Georgia. This customer has requested repair to original stock. This is not a conversion. As far as a repair to original stock, it's possible on a little over half of these. The other half have bad output transformers, and the only remedy is to do a internal conversion. But this one was in pretty good shape output wise, so let's go ahead and turn her on and make sure she works.
Analysts are ready to take your call and educate
Wow,
you on the best.
well that's a surprise. It's not my brother on the radio this time.
Mention the Dennis Prager Show sent you.
Alright, let's just test our balance control real quick if we can find our output meters. Okay, balance left.
Call their team now for more information. That's
balance right. Left. Right.
You can save cash, and you can make cash.
Okay, we get
You pick it. Save cash.
get two more stations towards the end of the dial. There's one.
Lock and a video.
And there's the other one.
Defend your home.
And now let's test the 8-Track.
There is a break.
We've got Bonanza guitars on deck. Ooh, yeah. Here we go. Switch tracks a bunch of times. That's a pretty quiet tune there. That must be the end of a song, so we'll just wait for it to either play the next song or switch to the next track, whichever it's going to do. I'm not too familiar with this tape, so your guess is as good as mine. But judging from the long delay, we're probably going to be switching tracks. Well, we're not going to wait for that track. Sometimes the space between before the automatic track change is pretty excessive. It looks like we're coming up on this song's ending as well. There we go. Okay, there's our automatic track change. So now we'll wait for the first song on this track to start. There we go. Just make sure we got output on both meters. Okay, switch tracks some more. Okay, and then, as I usually do, just momentarily, I'm going to play a more familiar tape so you can make sure the speed's correct. Alrighty. Pull the tape out, radio comes back. The last thing to check is the dial light, so you may not be able to see it because the light's pretty bright. Now you can see just a faint blue glow there. Yep, the light is lighting. We'll just turn it this way so you can see inside. And when I pull this plug out, that light will go out, and you can see that happening. So this radio is ready to go back to the customer. I'm ready to get on to the next job. Let's see if we can find my face. Where are we? There I am. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. Needless to say, if you have an 8-track player either for home or for car use in need of service, you can reach me directly at 928-533-9666. I also do FM conversions on classic car AM radios. I can add Bluetooth, USB reader, aux input, and who knows what else by the time. Oh, digital. We can do digital now, too. So, my website's in the description below. Thank you so much for watching and listening, and we'll see you next time.